Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope you're fine. So this is just like a follow-up video for the renewal of the Nigerian passports. I've been getting lots of messages in my DMs and I just wanted to clarify some things. Now, the self-service is just for renewal of passports. You cannot use it for your child that's below 18. You cannot use it for a fresh passport, okay? If you want to do a fresh passport or you want to do for your child that's below 18, you have to book a physical appointment, right? So this is strictly for renewal of passports and self-service, okay? If you're not doing self-service for renewal, you have to book a physical appointment, right? So somebody asked me for the document to upload when you're filling your application. You need your birth certificate and you need your data page of your passport. Birth certificate or your age declaration and data page of your passport. Yeah, those are documents you need when you're applying, right? So once you're done applying, of course you need your NIN. You have to know your NIN. Once you're done applying and you've paid for the booklet, either the 32 or 64 pages, you've paid for that one, you move over to your app that you downloaded on your Android phone or your iPhone, and then you check for eligibility using your application ID and your reference number. Make sure those numbers are correct, okay? And then you go from there. Your self-capture, they will approve you. If you're eligible, they will approve you. You do your face capturing, you do your fingerprints, which is a bit challenging because I noticed that many people are having challenges with fingerprints, people that are sending me messages. So I advise you to hold your hand this way, do it this way, and be steady. Don't be shaking. Just try as much as possible to be steady. And once it's highlighted in green, you do it for the other hand as well, and then your thumb. Once you're done, you move over to the payment. The fingerprint takes you to 70%. All right, 70% is when you proceed to payment, and after that, it takes you to 100%. So I would advise you to make your payment on a weekday, because what I noticed is that people I was trying to help with payments, they got stuck at that 70% because they paid on a Friday, and it was late, so there was nobody to. The money left the account, but it did not get to the immigration people. Right, so we noticed that we had to wait till Monday before she moved over to 100%. So you must get to 100% though. You cannot move from 70%, you cannot move from 60%. All right, if you are stuck at any of those percentage, just wait, give it time. Give it time. You will move. Just wait a while. You will move. Okay. So that's the advice I'm giving you for that payment. Try and make sure you make your payment on a weekday. Okay. Even though you, like me, when I was doing my own, I got to 100% and then it took me back to 70%. But I already paid. When I tried to do proceed to payment, it told me I already paid. So I still went ahead to do my posting and I got my passport. So that's why I always ask people, did you see 100% at any point? Make sure you see that 100%. It's very important. Please pardon me. This video might be a bit long. So just, bear with me and watch till the end. Okay. Yeah. So after you're done with that, you can now move over to the post office. Now, you have to take money to the post office because you're going to pay for postal order, which is £20. You're going to pay for delivery, to and fro, right? You're going to buy the envelopes as well, and they're going to give you some stamps too. Okay, go with your old passport because you're going to put that inside there. You don't need to print out your application. I did not print out my application. People I helped, I told them they didn't print out their application and they still got their passport. But you can also do that if you want. Some people put in their application, they print it out and put it inside. It's fine if you want to do that, but you don't have to. Okay, and then once you're done, you tell them, in fact, when you get to Royal Mail, you tell them they will assist you. That you want to post your passport, blah, 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 they will help you out with it. All right. So once you are done doing that, of course, make sure you collect the tracking number from the post office. Once you're done, you get back home, you can now start tracking your application online with the ID number and your reference number. You track the application and it goes through all that process. It tells you your payment has been received, your application has been received, your application has been sent for production, and it gets down to the passport issued or collected. That is the last stage. So once you see that stage, you know that your passport has left. You might not have received it yet, right? But you know that it has left the passport office. So just give it time. You can also track it with the tracking number from the post office so that you know where your passport is. Okay? Some people got theirs in 14 days. Some people got theirs in 3 weeks. Some people got theirs in 1 month. Someone even told me she got her own in 7 days. Right? So that one is strictly up to them. I don't know. All right? It's not the same. It's not one size fits all. Okay? I got mine in 15 days. All right? So just give it time. Okay? If you've tried all this and for some reason you are stuck somewhere, you're not moving, you've waited and it's still giving you the same issue, I think you should now reach out to them through I think they respond faster on Instagram. Someone said they respond faster on Instagram. Send them a message. This is a disclaimer. I don't work there. I don't know anybody there. Someone sent me a message. Please, can I give them a number to talk to? I don't have anybody's number there. Okay. I'm just telling you from my own experience and what I noticed when I was helping people do theirs as well. Okay. So I'm going to post some of the feedback I got and the video I got as well after this. Thank you all so much for those of you that reached out to me to thank me with positive feedback. That the video I posted helped you one way or the other. Thank you guys so much. Please, if you're not clear about anything, if I'm able to answer, I will. Okay. Yes, if there's any other thing, you guys can put it in the comment section. And if you know that my video helped you one way or the other, please say something under that video or under this one. Okay. And yes, for those of you that feel you can, you can help. Just write something to help somebody. If you feel I missed out anything or this is what helped you, please put it out there, because many people are having challenges with that payment. They are stuck at 70%. That is the most of the messages I've been getting was, I'm stuck at 70%, I'm stuck at 60%, or I cannot do my fingerprint, or I cannot do this. Just, if you feel you have a response to that, please put it in the comment section, okay? Yeah, I just wanted to put that video out there, and yeah. So have a nice day, guys, and yeah, see you all soon. Bye. Whoa, this is a long video. So these are just some of the feedback I got from people I assisted one way or the other in getting their passports. So yeah. Bye.